Hey guys, Corbin here, and I'm going to use my Alaskan mill today to cut up an oak tree that fell down and was just starting to rot away, and I wanted to get some cool slabs out of it. So I cut them up, and let's see what I did to actually make my own wood. I'm pretty excited about this. I'm going to make some cool projects out of this wood. Let's do it. So first I had to roll the log over using a long metal pipe. The log had a huge hole in the middle, and I wanted to create some slabs that avoided this area. The milling jig runs parallel to the ground, and I need the largest slab portion to be parallel to the ground in order to avoid it. After I had it rolled over, I screwed on some 2x4 guide rails that I made. The first cut will run parallel to this guide and create a flat and level surface. I used a Granberg Alaskan mill attached to my dad's 70cc Dolmar chainsaw. It has a 24-inch bar that should allow me to cut up to 22 inches wide of a slab. I set the depth of the mill for a first cut that is below the 2x4s and deep enough to hit the entire length of the tree during the first pass. Alright, so I did my first cut through, and it gave me a nice flat area. I got it just about perfect. It kind of cut through right here, but that's okay. I think it can glide over this for the second cut and it'll be fine. So I'm excited. It's gonna be some really cool slabs. It's really wet, looks really pretty, slightly rotten, but kind of like that effect and look with some bugs that have already eaten away at it a bit. As I saw through, I don't want the gap to close down the blade and to keep it all straight. So I stick these little wedges in to kind of keep it all aligned as I go along. Totally forgot to wear my dust mask, so I'm gonna go grab that and do the second cut. Also, that was using my cool Alaskan mill to create some of my own wood from a tree that fell on my own property. I'm really excited to create something really fun with this wood. And stay tuned, subscribe, and like my videos, and I'm gonna create some more cool projects.